Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I go from this to this using $6 press-on nails from Walmart. Not only are they affordable, but they're also have less chemicals when you use press-on nails. So with gel, I have an issue with soaking my nails with acetone every 2 weeks. I feel like there's no way that's good for you. And with acrylic, it's also the same thing. If you want to take it off, you have to soak it in acetone, and also all the fumes in the nail salon. So I was trying to find something where my nails could look just as nice, where I didn't have to use a lot of chemicals, and it's perfect because it's also super affordable. So Walmart has so many different kinds of press-on nails, different shapes from pointy to round, short to long, so you can kind of choose what you like to do, and then you can also get all the things to create the perfect manicure, from the emery boards to the cuticle cutters, cuticle removers, cuticle oil, all of it. So I did a little tiny haul so that I could do like a simple manicure on myself. So because I just took off some press-on nails, I have a little bit of glue left on my nails. So I'm going to start off with the emery board and kind of rub off the excess glue. So if you do not have excess glue on your nails from previous nails or acrylics or gel, you can go ahead and skip this step. Then I'm going to just file my nails, make sure they're even. When you're putting on nails, you just want to make sure your nails are short. So if they're long, I would kind of cut them down a little shorter. That'll help with like breakage or anything like that. If you want to be fancy and give yourself a little manicure, you can just take a little cup or bowl of soapy water and just soak your hands in it. It kind of loosens up the cuticles so that you're able to clean up your nails better. It also will help with any of the excess glue on your nails if you have some. Then I'm going to take the cuticle pusher and just push my cuticles back. So with this, it's also taking off some of the extra glue that was on my nails, and then it's also pushing back my cuticles and releasing any of the extra dead skin that is around. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a nail technician. These are just simple steps you can do to just clean up your nails and kind of make them nice and clean and pretty before you add on the press-on nails, and this will make them look more natural and kind of just fall into your nail bed a little bit better. And then I just took the cuticle cutters to just cut off any excess cuticles. I don't cut my cuticles off, but just any extra skin, hangnails, just like things around my nail bed that are just like sticking out. I just kind of just go in and clean that all up with the cuticle cutters. Alright, now it's time to put the nails on. I'm using Kiss nails in this really cool chrome color. I love that you can play around with different styles with press-ons, and like I said before, different shapes. And you know, at the nail salon, if you want to do chrome polish or a different shape or jewels or whatever, it's extra cost to that. So with the press-on nails, it's just one cost. They usually run like $4 to $6, and you get the design that you want, the shape that you want, and it's super simple. If you don't want to do the whole manicure thing, the press-on nails actually come with a little kit inside. So you can kind of skip the whole manicure part, and it comes with an emery board, a cuticle pusher. It comes with stickers if you want to do press-on instead of gluing on. It comes with glue, and it comes with multiple nails. So it comes with, a lot of them come with about 28 to like 30 something nails. So a lot of times you can do your nails twice. So you're almost getting 2 manicures for the price of one, because if something comes off, you always have enough extra nails. If your nails last you through the whole week or 2 weeks, then you can just redo them with a whole new set of nails. Keeping your nails and cuticles hydrated is super important, so I'm taking Essie's cuticle oil and I'm just adding it to my cuticles and nails and rubbing it in just to give them a little moisture before I add the nails on. So here's the biggest tip to make sure your nails look as natural as possible and that they don't look like press-on nails. Basically, you're going to find each nail and you're going to find which one fits each finger. So you want to make sure that it fits the finger perfectly. And what you can do if it's a little bit too wide, because they tend to be a little bit too wide for my fingernails, is I just file each side of the nail so you can shape it so it looks a little bit more naturally shaped and more fitted to your nail and how your nail is formed. So that's really the trick to get it to kind of like lie down into your nail bed and to look really, really natural. So what I do is I measure each finger and line them up in a row in the same order so I don't mix up which nail goes on which finger. Once I have all the nails lined up, I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. This kind of gets your cuticles ready to put the nails on, and it kind of just does any last minute cleaning up. Also, if you skip the manicure part, this kind of is a necessary step to just like push your nail beds back, get your cuticles even and a little bit cleaned up. Then you're gonna take your emery board and buff out your nails. So this is a necessary step because it gives your nails a little bit texture. So when you glue on the press-on nail, it has more of a texture to stick onto, so they last longer, as opposed to if it was like your slick nail and you're trying to glue something onto like a smooth surface, it's not going to stick as well, it's not going to last as long. So you want to give your nails a little bit of texture so the nail has something to hold on to. Then you're going to take the glue that comes in the kit and you're going to glue one side of the nail that you're ready to use, and then you're going to also glue your nail. So you're putting glue on both the nail, the fake nail, and your nail. And then I give it like about a second or two, and then I gently press it into the cuticle so that it's sitting a little bit under the cuticle so it looks a little natural, and I hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds and let it dry. Then I just go in order how I have the nails lined up, and I just go through each nail and repeat that step. And that's it. It's super easy, super simple. They look amazing. They look like the salon. I had another set that I was getting so many compliments on, and I told the girls it was press-on, and they're like, no way. So it's really cool because you're saving money. Your nails look amazing. You can do all these different styles, all these different shapes. You could really play around with it at an affordable cost, and you get to just do it at home. And like I said, I love that it's less chemicals, so it's really just like a simple, easier way to have your nails looking fresh. Also, last step, if you want to file it down, you can. Some of the nails have like a little bit of roughness on the tip, so I like to go in and kind of file them so they just are all smooth and shaped how I want them. And if you don't want to use the glue, you can use the stickers that come in the set and actually make them press-on nails, but I don't like to use the stickers. For me, they don't last as long, and I don't want to be worried about losing a nail all the time. The glue for me has lasted up to 2 weeks, which is amazing. So it really lasts, and you really get a lot for your money. I also love that Walmart has so many different types of styles and nails that you can choose from. Like I showed you in the beginning, I chose a bunch of different ones, so I can't wait to try all the different styles and kind of switch up my nails whenever I feel like I need a new fresh set. And from like $4 to $6, it's like amazing. You can buy like 10 nails for the price of one full set. So these are definitely going to be my go-to when doing my nails moving forward. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.